Hello, today we will guide you through how to receive payments in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage or dashboard. This is where you can access the tools you need for day-to-day bookkeeping tasks. Receiving a payment in QuickBooks helps you apply a customer's payment to an open invoice, which keeps your records accurate and your accounts up to date. Once you're in QuickBooks, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. This menu gives you quick access to common actions, including sales forms, expenses, and customer transactions. When you hover over it, a list of options will appear. From that menu, click Receive Payment. This will open the payment entry screen, where you can record money received from a customer. This step is important because it connects the payment to the correct customer account and helps track what has been paid. On the Receive Payment screen, select the sample customer. Choosing the right customer ensures the payment is applied correctly and that the customer's balance reflects the update. If you are following along in a practice file, you may see sample customer names available in the dropdown. Next, select the sample payment method. This tells QuickBooks how the payment was made, such as cash, check, or credit card. Recording the payment method can make reporting clearer later and can also help with reconciliation depending on how your business tracks incoming funds. After that, enter the amount of the payment. Be sure to type the amount carefully so it matches what was actually received. This is the key part of the transaction, since QuickBooks will use that amount when updating the customer's outstanding balance. If an invoice is listed on the form, entering the correct amount helps ensure the payment is applied properly. Once everything looks correct, click Record and Close. This saves the payment and exits the form at the same time, which is a convenient option when you're finished. After saving, QuickBooks will update the customer record and reflect that the payment has been received. That's all it takes to receive a payment in QuickBooks Online. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to quickly review the customer name, payment method, and amount before saving, just to avoid small data entry mistakes. With this process, you can keep your receivables accurate and your books organized.